All right, everyone, let's get started. Let me introduce you to Adam Rossi. He's the president of Blue Sky Custom Homes. Hey, Adam, how are you?
I'm well, thanks.
All right, I want to hear about Blue Sky and your team before we really dive in.
Blue Sky Custom Homes has been around for about 10 years, 20 years total with the remodeling group. We build about 8 to 10 custom homes a year. Julie, my wife, and I own the company. We have 8 employees, project manager, a construction manager, and a director of operations are all involved with each project.
Great. All right, I'm going to bring Julie in because she also has a lot to say, obviously. Hey, Julie, nice to see
Hello.
you.
Hi there. Yeah, so as Adam said, we've been in business a while. We like to call ourselves a small, big company because we like to keep the processes and teams in place that we need to operate with the customer service you expect from a big company, but still have that nice touch of a small company. So, yeah, I've been with Adam pretty much the whole way. I act as the CFO, but I also do a lot of many hats, as a lot of small business owners do. I also handle HR, IT. And on the custom home side, I'm very much involved with the customers. Once we get into the design build and we have floor plans and elevations, we like to get our customers shopping and picking out materials, both exterior and interior. And so I help them out by providing timelines, checklists, contacts. We have preferred vendors that we work with, and I like to get them started working with them. So they'll pick out everything from roof colors to cabinets and plumbing fixtures. And then we assemble all that information back into the custom home budget that we're putting together for them. And there's quite a bit of feedback back and forth there of, oh, this is a little bit higher than what we thought, or this is a little lower material you may want to go with. And we do this iteration with the customer on the custom home side until we land on a budget that's comfortable for them. So I'm pretty much involved with all of that and coming up with all the specifications that we can then hand off to our operations team. So they're ready to go and they know what's being installed and when to install it and who they're working with.
Fantastic. I know how very streamlined you all are, especially with that tight team that you have assembled, and then people. That's why I wanted to bring you on too, so we could see the face of the person that is going to be working with it. And again, this is what we wanted to do with this educational series, is to let people know what the process looks like if they have not built a custom home before. So